The case challenging the legality of the Security Act resumes at the High Court tomorrow. Court is challenging the constitutionality of the anti-terror laws, saying it infringes on the cardinal principle of freedom of expression. The government side is expected to file its response at the beginning of the hearing, which is set tomorrow, and the Senate has also been summoned on Tuesday afternoon to relook the security laws.
The legal battle over the controversial security laws resumes tomorrow before High Court Judge Isaac Lenaola. The state which defends the Security Act is expected to file its response before the case can proceed. On adjourning the case last week, Lenaola gave government 5 days to make their written submissions.
We need to file substantive affidavits.
The Solicitor General Nje Muturi and Director of Public Prosecutions Keriako Tobiko, who was enjoined in the case, will have to file their responses before the case can proceed. Court is contesting the constitutionality of the laws and also cites procedural flaws in approving the law in the National Assembly. The opposition has earmarked at least 10 clauses in the Security Act it says infringes on fundamental freedom of expression.
Nje haiwezi karudi mahali tumetoka. Na hiyo sio swali ambalo liko sasa hivi mbele ya koti, lakini ukiangalia yote haya malumbano ambayo yanaendelea sasa hivi ni baina ya wale ambao wanataka kurudisha Kenya miaka 20 nyuma, ama wale ambao wako tayari kusema tuko na katiba mpya ambayo iko na uwazi juu ya mambo haya.
Court's case was consolidated with another by the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights that also challenged the law, claiming it's prone to human rights violation. But the newly appointed Interior Cabinet Secretary, Joseph Nkaiseri, has backed the laws, saying it has rationalized various security laws, essentially sealing various loopholes in security legislation. Nkaiseri says the laws curtails no freedoms of Kenyan citizens.
The new and existing security legislations measures offer us a framework to secure the basic right guaranteed in our Constitution, namely the right to life and protection of property. It is not directed at law-abiding citizens, but the terrorists, their agents and criminals.
The opposition has also petitioned for a special sitting of the Senate to deliberate on the security laws. The Senate will sit on Tuesday afternoon after Minority Leader Moses Wetangula and 15 other senators successfully petitioned for the House recall. The opposition had threatened mass protests against the anti-terror law, terming it as retrogressive legislation. Nonetheless, court says it will await the court's verdict before determining its next course of action.
There is also
Samugina, KTN.